Ebusia, come with me again. Oh, come with me again. Ebusia, Ghana ye de. Obi be say I didn't think Ghana ye de. King Teiko Tsuru II, the overlord and the king of Accra, Gamanche, has spoken. Piao, one time for your mic. Ebusia, for all along this issue was going on. Now me catch me guys and say we need to go and see Niga. We need to go and see Niga because at the end of the day, you know, this guy is making too much noise in Accra. And Ebusia, Agbena. You know the meaning of that? Agbena. Finally, Ni Teiko Tsuru II has ordered the Ghana Police Service to send a strong warning and a message to the self-acclaimed leader of the Igbos. Ebusia, ehinetu. Sisi adie. Mate se wentumi ana. Mate se bibi yeno. Mate se nakuma te. Ankasa. Anyway, here in Chehon, we have the main video from our brother Kweku, and then we have the actual video from when Dr. Hassan Ayara visited King Takita US Palace, right? So that one also is there. We'll play for all of us. And then when we finish, we'll come and conclude this. We are moving forward. Who said what we are doing we will not be able to achieve? We will achieve it. And we have achieved some things already. We'll be right back.
Court of the funeral. There were decent Igbo people in Kumasi who came and paid, commensurate with Otunfo and even had a handshake, true or false. The Igbo community came and had a handshake with him. Why not you? Why not you? We are sending signals that, hey, enough is enough. Folks, we have a document here, and we have to read. The document says, 19 September. It was written 19 September. That's what is on the screen. So let's read, shall we? The Regional Commander, Ghana Police Service, Accra. Celebration of YAM Festival by Igbo Chief. Shall we? Compliments from the Ghana Traditional Council to your good office. The Ghana Traditional Council has received an invitation and seen a flyer circulating on social media by Easy Dr. Ambassador Chukwudi Jude. Ihini dubbed 2025 what is it Igbo Day in Ghana New Yam Festival on Sunday 21st September 2025 at the Efwa Sutherland Children Park. If allowed to proceed, can possibly cause mayhem and disturbance of peace and security within the Ghana state. Recalled to our earlier press release dated 9th July 2025, item 5, as per attached, Easy Dr. Ambassador Chukwudi Jude Ihinitu has cautioned to desist. Listen, Ghanaians, has what? Caution to desist from all traditional and cultural festivities under the guise of importing Igbo culture into the Ghana state. It is to this end that they what's that? Listen, the HRM Kentucky Teiko Tsuru II has now the king of the Ghana state is speaking. His Royal Majesty King, this is a proper one. Okay, the HRM, His Royal Majesty Kentucky Teiko Tsuru II has directed me to write to inform you and also seek for your assistance by putting the above program to a halt as soon and as what possible. As soon as possible. The Ghana Traditional Council counts on your cooperation in maintaining peace and security within the Ghana state. Please find attached a copy of our earlier press release and the flyer for your attention and further action. Thank you for your urgent attention in this regard. Evelyn Amewotwe, Registrar. Copied, the Divisional Commander, Ghana Police Service Ministries, Honorable Minister, Minister of Local Government and Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs, the Honorable Minister of Interior, and all of that. Blah, 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 blah. Plenty. Guys, Asema Woho Nane said, Ebria ye kasei krata efri yewura His Royal Majesty Kentucky Terrier Teiko the second. Na krata yi wonoma tro de akoma pa police aprosifo se aprosifo entro krata nkoma ehinitu na ehinitu onte ne ho ase se YAM festival o edebe agro edebe nina puto hwegum dan kwansini mu anenko pamno twano omuntwa so na womo kai ne se ebribi abesen kono no wotu anamo bi sei nina na nko ye wo hwe se ode sa festival yi ode beko Efua Sutherland Park oho no pese okokodi no ohini a owo enkran krodue we mu esi no enya de omumba kwan enya de omo pene ena enya de nso ebetimi nso aba so se Igbofo edbeden ede ye kan say culture kra kan say wotwi mu wonom de agro bi nimne ade foforo bi aba omemu ha ede abe disturb nkranfo nimne ade no emma so enti a police for intro krata ne mfema na krata wey ene sisi a police for natural dia command say the South style imposed the king of Igbos he need to enti he need to a obetu no ho ade so ontimi ni YAM festival no won krakroma. Guys, this is the breaking news coming. What can we do? Folks, we can only bow before His Royal Majesty, the King of the Ghana State, Teiko the second. Wayade papa. Pachamurje or Hininamon the picture of Ghana Funo. In his private life, his name is Kevin. He's my friend, he's my brother. Wayade papa mumemo enkra hene so abaso wayade ye papa ye we say there was a meeting this way course mokaya Wednesday yene Dr. Alhaji Hassan Ayara sini nkomo no on say wo mokoye ekotu omene nkodi nkomo ni na wetie na supem before kra no a Dr. Hassan kra be kono na enim deda say ohene Teiko the second wo mo sisi anamo bi ewie dida except say some 3 Ghana chiefs bi no mo ye o madwene say wo mo de o mbe feachire e de o masafo na akọ ho sikadie nketinketi na meka na bi no no mo de o masafo na akọ ho ne say base ye bebrim wo mo a wo mo de sa asafofo na be save gado wo mo yeah Teiko no wo so no yeah very nice man yes ai just say why are there papa na ode na no asem no ato ho enti the king of the Ghana State, chief respect, yes salute papa. Ye per se ya himfuni na sorry. No na eden gitwigi trada ni ye ma omen ye sanitize. Me yankwa homa so ne ne your friend is saying Avosa group no the Ashanti team the above program to what? A halt. Above program being YAM festival to a halt as soon and as possible. The Ghana Traditional Council counts on your cooperation in maintaining peace and security within the Ghana State. Please find attached copy of our earlier press release and the flyer for your attention. Further action. Thank you for your urgent attention in this regard, Evelyn Amewotwe and Odeba Registrar. Of course, inti folks, breaking news near Dahwa said, your friend is saying, Igbo Keno. Ane sabri ekase ne YAM festival edieben festival efahine esnhe ko rahe ko piehi ni nara pamno twa no puto hwegum yedine kogu dankwansirim bayire de biaba wo benua bayire woni fie no madi asamasa na wompe wona opede ni wo ko gina Efua Sutherland Park akoyi dede ho how edieba sem ehini tu how eni etu enye duma ho yampini ho yete chale as far as I'm concerned and Zemage, are you happy? Already I have some loyalists here. They are crazy about these issues and Zemage number 1 is Legon Helen Efiaya also is Legon I mean read your message no I say shameless people very disgraceful very disappointed Mefia also is Legon I hope this is Yamuina Moboso Adremo. Ghana for bebre Moso Moboso Adremo. Come. I am a friend is saying Ura Isaac Asante or Germany or Apex leader Daniel Prince or no see a member Enoch Omina Bobby Stana. And then, can I remember the rest? Yeah, Muna Mugo. I'm sure say Muna Mugu, the groundbreaking. Yes, as far as Dr. Alhaji Hassan Ayara concerned, made sure say all of these arrangements we say back. By the way, Dr. Hassan, video come back to the studio. Of course, it's just about 42 minutes gone past the hour 9. Time really fast gone, but the very small remaining time. Let's touch base with Dr. Alhaji Hassan Ayara on the line. Doc, good evening. Many thanks indeed for your time.
Good evening, Kweku. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for
asking.
And
thank you for having me.
Good. Now, yesterday we saw you before the world and all of us, our eyes, with a great handshake with Otunfo Oseidu to the second. How did the program go? I mean, to commensurate with the King of Ashanti, how did it go?
It went well, at least. When I got there, I was then we couldn't enter with our car to the main car park because it was full, so we had to park somewhere and then just walk like 2 minutes away from where we parked the car, and then they ushered us in. Seriously, yesterday I was the happiest man on earth.
Yes.
I was the happiest man on earth. You know why?
Yes, tell me.
Right from where we parked the car. They were just shouting, Ayariga, we are there, Ayariga, we are there, Ayariga. Look, I at a point in time, I didn't know what to do again. I was so shy again. I was like, wow. So this is what we have been doing. Oh, people really appreciate the work. They just don't come out to talk. But yesterday, the support, the acknowledgement, the attention we got from the people made my day. What it means that whatever we are doing, people are watching, people are with us, people are supporting us. Those who were following me were so shocked. You know, everybody, they were like, hey, Ayara, you've taken over the place. I say, yes. This is the good work you do for Mother Ghana. And people will reward you with such kind of acknowledgement and love. So yesterday in Ashanti, we had all the love that we never expected. We never expected. I mean, from the people, from all the kingsmen, and from all the spectators, and all the people of Ashanti within the Youth Ashanti Defense Force, the Avrusa group, all of them, they gave us so much support. Even the former president Kufo, former president, what do you call it? Akufo-Addo, I mean, former First Lady, and all the ministers, former ministers of state and ministers, they were so happy to see me. You know what President Akufo told me? He said, when I was coming, he saw a young man coming. He was like, who is this president coming? Which of the presidents have they invited?
I see.
And people were around him.
I see.
Then after I went and greeted our king, and then I got back to him. Then he looked at me and said, so it's you. I said, yes. He said, oh my God, you are my president. I said, yes, sir. He said, you are the shadow president. I said, thank you. You know, so it's so nice yesterday. I mean, they were all happy to see us. Then I went and, we got to the line, and the people from left, right, center, all the kingsmen, they were so happy. All of them were just greeting me. All of them. Oh, I gotta go there. So at a point in time, I need to bow my head down. But all the same, the people were just hailing me. This shows the love people have for people who fight for their country. It's the love they showed yesterday was the love to say that, look, keep doing whatever you are doing for motherland. And we are with you. You will not see us working with you, but we are with you. Women were just shouting, Ayarga Wayade, Ayarga Wayade, Ayarga Wayade, Ayarga Wayade. I mean, that was all I got throughout until I went to His Majesty, His Royal Hand Majesty. I sat before him. I greeted him. He was so happy to see me. He was very, very happy to see me. He hugged me, greeted me. We had our own private chat, which I cannot say it on live TV. I mean, that's I'll reserve that one.
Good one.
But it's one of the best trips had over the past 3 months.
Wonderful.
And yes. So Ashanti did good job yesterday.
Wonderful.
They showed love to Hassan Ayara. They showed love to our fight against criminals in our country. They showed love to our fight against the Igbo king and his so-called entourage and whatever they call themselves. I mean, so, we have a lot of work to do.
So between you and the Ihinitu, you managed to take your shine, and he was obviously.
I was even shocked that he went there. I think I'm shocked he was able to. I mean, when I heard he was there, I was like, "What is this man? Is this man serious?" When Ghanaians are angry with you, you think you can just walk into such an event? You know, I said it. He goes around taking pictures with our kings, our former president and president, and that's what he used to do his 419 scamming with people. And now it was good. He was not asked to take a picture with anybody. Now he knows his level. He now knows his stand. He now knows that Ghanaians are not happy with his attitude and behavior in this country. You know, so he should be very careful. As for me, I want him out of my country. That I will not stop until this month. You know, 2 days ago, I went to Garmoncho.
Yeah, we are just showing the video right away. Yeah.
Yes, I went to Garmoncho. And we went to petition myself and the team about the so-called YAM festival and so-called Igbo king and whatever he's calling himself, and disrespecting the Ga community and trying to build a community within a community. So we had this interaction with His Royal Majesty, and we gave him the petition. And he promised to look into this petition and to act swiftly on this petition. You saw the release this evening. This is the release that Ghanaians and our kings are together. And that they are protecting our lands, they are protecting our sovereignty, they are protecting our nation. They might not talk, but these are information that when you read these kinds of letters and information, you know that they are defending their people, and their people will always defend them. So the Igbo man should know that he has no space in this country. He should just move. They are still playing diplomatic ways with him. You see, if he doesn't take it quietly and move out, the other ways, the Buga people will come in.
I tell you,
and that would not be nice. Yes, that would not be nice. So I am advising him. He has seen his level now. He thinks that Hassan Ayara is joking. They sat somewhere and said, Hassan Ayara cannot stop us from doing YAM. Come and do the YAM festival and let's see. Show your face. If you're a man, show your face on the 21st. I'm told their spokesperson, who is a Ga man or whatever, is talking anyhow. He should show his face on the 21st and let's see. You see, you cannot take quiet and sit somewhere and sell your sovereignty. You are a brother of the Ga man. If you are his spokesperson, be mute. There are certain things you don't even talk. You will advise him to be quiet.
Exactly.
Because you represent the community. It is your duty to make sure that you do not allow him to say certain words or do certain things. You don't come out and think that because you are a Ghanaian, you can go contrary to us. Do it and see whether we will spare you. We will not spare you because you are our brother. No. Anybody who will go against the country for a foreigner will never be spared. Because you are betraying your country, betraying your people. For what? For coins? For what? We are putting our lives, our resources, our strength in this thing, and you want to make money out of it. You want to sell your dignity? You want to sell your sovereignty? I guess he should find a place and hide himself, so that because the boys are seriously looking for him to send him to the police station to lock him up.
I know they are on standby, but quick.
Yeah, they are looking for it. Yeah,
quick one. On Wednesday, I know this coming week was going to be a serious exercise, and I pleaded on behalf of foreigners to ask it if we can give them 1 week. So the broader stakeholder consultation, what is it going like?
They called today, and yesterday after the program they called, and I pleaded with them. They were, because some of them have organized themselves for tomorrow. Take action. So I asked them that they should hold on. We have been asked to give a week. So within this week, what we are going to do is that we will send out notice to them. Sometimes I mean, yesterday when I discussed with them, they were of the view that you're right, because sometimes it's always better to give people grace period to prepare themselves and know that this is what is coming. If you either do it willingly or you'll be forced to do it. It is better when they do it willingly, quietly move, because the laws are there and nobody's going contrary to the law. We are not going against the law. We want the law to work. And we are asking you to know that at this juncture, you cannot do retailing in Ghana. If we have overlooked at it, that's an oversight. Now we want to correct it. And correcting something is not a mistake. It's not a misfortune. It's not a misunderstanding. It's an accuracy of making sure that you follow the rules and regulations of your country and abide by it, whether you're foreigner or you're indigent. It is your responsibility, once you live in Ghana, to obey the rules and regulations. That is what governs us. That is what protects us. That is what guides us. That is what we use to be able to live in peace and harmony with our neighbors and friends and ourselves. If there's no law, then somebody can just pick a gun and start shooting everybody.
Exactly.
Somebody can just come into your house and arrest you and your wife and children and take over your wealth. So that is because that is law. We are all being guided by such laws. And no foreigner has the right, no matter who you are, no matter your caliber, no matter your authority, no matter your strength, no matter your relationship, no matter your coordination, has the right to break our rules and regulations and walk scot-free. No foreigner. I repeat it, no foreigner. Not even the President of the Republic of Ghana will do that, not to talk of a foreigner. So mind them. We are not against foreigners, but we are against people breaking the rules and regulations of our country. Because you are setting certain precedents that we will not tolerate that kind of precedent. And once we will not tolerate that kind of precedent, then you should not be willing to set that kind of precedents too.
Fantastic.
You know.
Bro.
So I want to thank you, myself. We've done a lot of work. The movement, the Ghana movement, the Ghana Alliance, the Ghana Boy and the starter and all these guys, all the Apex Ghana, and all that, Oman Ghana, and everybody, all these movements for doing a fantastic job in defending our motherland and our sovereignty. We will not stop. Let them know that running for president is not about becoming a president. It's about making sure that right things are being properly done, not wrong things. If you're a president, your duty is to protect the Constitution and make sure that we all abide by the Constitution. I am not running for president for name. I'm running for president to change the narrative. And this is part of running. This is a political, what do you call it, agenda for me. It's bigger than my presidency. I say it all the time. Because when we allow such people, we're losing the sovereignty to foreigners.
Good one.
I've lived in many countries in the world. I've visited countries in the world. I always abide by their rules and regulations. That is why I can walk freely or travel freely to any country and come back. I grew up in Germany. I speak the German language very well, more than even I speak English. But I've never broken any law in Germany till date. And that is why I have a good relationship with Germans. So I expect foreigners to behave that way, whether Chinese, Lebanese, Nigerians, Togolese, and any kind of person, any kind of nationality. We are not against that, but we want our country to be safe, our people. That's our duty. That's our responsibility. So Ghanaians all over, it is your responsibility to protect your sovereignty. Do not sit down and say, I'm not concerned. It's not affecting me. It's not touching me. It's not my concern. Let the Nigerians do what they want to do. Nigerians are not doing what they want to do. They are doing it against you.
Exactly.
In the future, you will feel it. By that time, it's over. You cannot bring back a broken calabash to be the way the state in which it was. Never.
Gone.
Once it's broken, it's broken. So if we make a mistake and this calabash falls down and breaks, we are done. We don't want to break our calabash, and we don't also want anybody to break our calabash too. So we are protecting our calabash, because calabash can fall down and break at any time. So Ghana is our calabash. It might be small, minute, 10% of Nigerians or whatever they call it, one state or whatever. It is the state we honor. It is the state we protect. It is the state we love. It is the state that is our soil. So kudos expecting other chiefs from today onwards to also follow suit. Yeah. That nobody should entertain any kind of foreigner who calls himself a king or even a chief as of now. Yeah. And I am also calling on the traditional leader to begin to investigate all the sub-chiefs. Yeah. They should cancel all the sub-chiefs of the Igbo traditional council, whatever they call themselves in Ghana. Yeah. From today, henceforth, no more traditional Igbo traditional chiefs. No more. They have not been gazetted. They have not been. No king has given them that authority, so they don't exist. Yeah. So nobody should call anybody any sub-chief of Igbo. Nobody. So they should also start parting and dethrone themselves. They are normal. There's nothing called Igbo king or Igbo kingdom or Igbo leader in Ghana. No, it is in Igbo land, not here. It's in Nigeria. Even in Nigeria, they are struggling to find their identity. Even back in Nigeria, the Igbos are struggling to identify themselves among themselves. They are looking for unity. When you see Nigerians with their flag, they are crying for unity. Yeah. So even in your own country, you cannot unite yourself. How can you come to my country and you want to break the rules?
Good one. Good one. Thank you very much
for
this very, very insightful delivery. Definitely we're going to touch base with you. We know, because there are a lot of roadmap, and then we are also expecting some conferences coming on and all of that.
Yes, like I told you.
Yes, we'll discuss all of that. And so, bro, tonight, millions around the world congratulate you for this great...
Thank you very much. Thank you.
So we'll talk on the flip side of it. Guys, just gone past Dr. Alhaji Hassan Ayara has just nailed it. Folks, this is Ghana Speaks on the...
We are here to pay courtesy call to you and to pray to God Almighty to give you long life, good health, and continue to protect you for us as our government chair and our king, me, my king, and to also introduce to you various youth group of Ghana that are all fighting to protect the sovereignty of Ghana, our motherland, and also to submit a petition to you and, to ask for Your Majesty on behalf of the youth movement of Ghana, all the groups, the Apex, the My Ghana, the Youth Alliance, Ghana Movement, and myself, we want to present to you this petition.
Please, Alice. Thank you. Your Excellency, Dr. Ayara, Hassan Ayara. This morning, you have given me a shivering, but that is all right because you've always been my brother, and you're always welcome to my home.
Thank you.
The issues we have at stake are worrying, and I want to applaud the youth for coming out this time to air your views, because you are partners to every authority that makes or takes decisions in this country. And you have become ombudsmen and ombudswomen, or whistleblowers in this dispensation. Because any decision that has to be made or that has to be taken may endure to a profitable future for you. But you are the future. We might have done our bit, but you would have to go through a number of years to get to where some of us have reached. So you must also make sure that you question authorities to be responsible you question leadership to be responsible for the actions. And if these actions will be detrimental to you and your future, and of course, it gives or becomes a matter of concern. So I applaud you for coming out the way you have come out today. I promise you that I will look at the petition. I promise you that I will act swiftly. I would call an emergency meeting to look at the contents of the petition, and then we will address it, you know, with all the force that it deserves. We cannot take the peace we enjoy in Ghana for granted, and we cannot take what Ghana is today for granted. We believe that we still have to work very hard to sustain the peace we have today. Some of these things are things that would bring the sustenance and make our peace durable. So on that note, I will thank you all, and you hear from us as soon as possible.
All right, guys, so all too soon you guys have enjoyed this video, right? I think everything has come to a perpetual end. Government Teiko the second has spoken. A while ago, I was in conversation with one guy. I mean, he said he's very close to the government. He's part of his media team. I'm like, Charlie, this thing where they go on, how you guys they do Charlie? And lo and behold, I keep telling my guys, they say a year why one or two papa to baby. So all too soon, government has spoken, and I believe strongly say this is the second time he has sent a strong warning to the Igbo king, the self-acclaimed Igbo king. Whatever his name is, leader, he called himself fake one. This is the second time man warning. The first one he said he doesn't know him through a letter. Second one, where man warning said he shouldn't dare to do anything like a festival. We hot the whole program. So ebusuya yam ne dia mate say Igbo king wa koto yam bebre. At least he will share those yams near there. He will share them. Now, even if he dare try to do something he has defiled what the rules are, the instruction that was given to him by King Teiko II. So that alone amount to a lot of issues that will happen. I can tell you, say, if you dare do that one safe, there will be a problem at the end of the day, Ebusia. Now, very dark man, I think, say you are in Nigeria right now. Very dark man, let me talk to you, bro. I think you have to start coming to Ghana to come and ask your Igbo king if he now can say he want to do something like that. Ebusia, the last thing I will say is say agbena niga ewi tra no manyaba. Yao.